What's up, online shoppers? I found an awesome barbecue grill brush. This is how it arrives from the company when you purchase it. So you do have to do a little bit of assembly, but I was super excited to get it because our barbecue brush bit the dust a while ago. Let's open it up and see how it assembles. Now this one here is the GRILLART 18-inch barbecue brush. There we go. There are all the parts. There is an instruction card that shows you how to put the brush together, just in case. And it also suggests something cool. Now take a look at this picture. They said, use steam to clean your grill. I never thought about that before. They have a water basin right here, and they show a person dipping the brush in the water before they scrub the grill. Well, that is pretty cool. So scrape, dip, and scrub. Awesome. Here are the parts. Here's the handle. Oh, assembly is going to be easy, friends. It's only screw in assembly, which is great. Here is the brush for scraping the grill. Now there has been a lot of bad press about barbecue grill cleaning brushes, but the design of this brush has the wires blended right in to the twisted wire frame. So it's going to hold on to these wire bristles really, really firmly, and they're not just going to like wiggle and fall out, which is a good thing. Now you have your wire bristles here for cleaning and scrubbing. You have a scraper edge right here, which is pretty awesome. And here's your handle right here. So all you have to do is just literally screw this in like that. Pretty cool. So there, it's almost all assembled. You've got a really nice, easy to hold handle. It's a good thickness. It feels good in my hand. Now, this is a universal scraper that they add in as an additional bonus when you purchase this brush. So it comes with a couple screws to attach it to the scraper. And the scraper here has actually a hole. Depending on the shape of your barbecue grates, these might be the right scrapers for your barbecue. So what you can do is take one of these little screws with the washer, and you can attach this just like that. So you thread your screw through the hole here like this, and then you can put this on here just like that. We're gonna flip it over on a washer, and then use one of these little wings to attach it. So once you've done this, you have the option of customizing your grill scraper to the kind of grill that you need. And all you have to do is just tighten it. So if you need to be able to do a V-shaped griddle, you've got these. If you need something that's a little bit rounder, you can loosen and then tighten it. If you have a square shape, you can rotate it over this way and use this part here to scrape your griddle, and then of course tighten it. You have lots of different options with this extra scraping tool that you can attach right on to your griddle. And that is a pretty cool feature, I have to say. Very cool feature. I think this is a really cool product. I love the extra thoughtful features that are in here. The construction is super high quality. You've got this twisted metal here, the universal scraper up here, a really comfortable handle, and I love that it has a hook at the bottom so you can just clip it onto your barbecue so it's there when you need it. This 18-inch GRILLART brush is awesome, and I can't wait to try it out. I definitely think it's gonna be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.